May I request everybody to please stand up for our prayer. Jezabel, please lead the prayer.
Let's pray. Lord, thank you for this day. Amen.
Amen. Okay, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, before you take your seats, please check under your chair if there is a piece of papers or plastics and put it in your pocket or in your bag and throw it later on after our class in the dustbin. Okay, okay. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. For now, you may now take your seats. Now, class, let us check your attendance for today. Jezabel, as our class monitoring officer, please tell me who is absent among your classmates. Okay, Nan, I am glad that all of you are here. With that, give yourselves 5 claps. Okay, class, who among you can still remember our classroom rules? Yes, Leia?
Listen carefully when someone is speaking.
Thank you, Leia. Jovi?
Be quiet, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Jezabel?
Raise your hand if you have a question.
Okay, thank you. Our classroom rules, class, are clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now class, we will have an activity. And this activity, all you need to do is to close your eyes, listen, observe in your surroundings, using your ears. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, remember that don't open your eyes until I said so. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, in the count of 1, 2, 3, close your eyes. Wait a minute, class. Listen carefully, children.
It's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going home.
Okay, I will play it. Okay. Are you okay, class?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, it's already 6 o'clock. I need to prepare to go to school because I don't want to be late. Oh, it's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going home.
Okay, class, in the count of 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Okay, are you okay, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, based on activity that we did earlier, what did you hear?
Teacher.
Yes? Joanne?
I heard the sound of the clock, the tick-tock, tick-tock. I heard the sound of the rooster every morning. And I heard the alarm clock.
Okay, excellent observation, Joanne. What else?
Teacher!
Yes, Leia?
Teacher, narinig ko po yung sabi ng bata, oh, it's already morning. I need to prepare because I need to go to school. I don't want to be late.
Okay, very good. Is there anyone to share or add something from the activity that we did? None. Okay, very good. Okay, class, based on the activity that we did earlier, do you have any idea what is our lesson for today? Yes, Leia?
I think, teacher, it's about clock.
It's about
Teacher?
that. Yes, Joanne?
I think it's about time.
Okay, time. That's right, Joanne and Leia. Our lesson for today is all about time, which is measuring time using 12-hour and 24-hour clock. But before that class, let us know first our objectives. Jezabel, can you read the first objective?
Differentiate a 12-hour and 24-hour clock.
For the second objective, Joanne.
Convert 12-hour time to 24-hour time and vice versa.
And for the last objective, Jovi.
Gives the importance of time.
Okay. Thank you, children. Class, that objectives are you should able to do as we go through our discussion. Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now. Now, let's look at this picture. What do you see in this picture, class? Yes, Joanne?
Teacher, bus terminal.
Okay, bus terminal. Have you ever been to the bus station?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
For terminal of Rojas.
Okay, yes, Joanne. What can you share your experience at the bus terminal or bus station?
Teacher, ano po, when you went into the bus, it takes a lot of time before the bus comes.
Okay, very good, Joanne. Now, let us look at this dialogue. It is someone else's experience at the bus station. Now, class, I need 2 volunteers to read the lines of Jessie and the lines of Grandpa. Who wants to volunteer? Yes, Leia and Jovi.
I'm the grandpa teacher.
Okay, yes. Jovi, you are? Jessie. Jessie. Okay, let's start.
What time did your friend arrive in, Grandpa?
She said 5 o'clock, Jessie.
And what is the time right now?
It is 5 minutes before 5, Jessie.
Okay, Grandpa. Hey, Grandpa, are the clocks in the stations not working?
Okay, thank you, children. Class, based on the dialogue of Jessie and Grandpa in the bus station, what did you observe or what were Jessie and Grandpa talking about? Yes, Jovi?
He talks about the arrival of the friend that Grandpa.
Okay, very good. They talking about the arrival of Grandpa's friend. Now, what did you observe in the clock in the terminal?
Teacher, it's 17.
17, yes. Do
So 12:01 p.m. to 11:59 p.m.
Okay, very good. The host meridian or the PM is used after 12 noon and before the 12 midnight or 11:59 p.m. before the midnight. Now let's proceed to the 24-hour clock system. The 24-hour system, or we can see here at the top. Okay, class, do you see that 24 clock system use AM or PM?
No, teacher.
Okay, 24-hour clock system does not use AM or PM. Instead, 24-hour clock system use the abbreviation H, which is represented by hours. So 24-hour clock system is often called as the military clock or the military time because military people are usually using this time, the 24-hour clock system. So class, so in this picture, this is an example of 24-hour clock system or format. Do you familiar with this clock, class?
No.
This? No. Okay, this clock is what we call digital clock. So most of the digital clock are using the 24-hour clock system or format. And I forgot. This is an example of 12-hour clock system, which is from 12 to 12. It started at 12 and 12. Class, how many digits did you observe in 24-hour clocks? Yes, Leia?
4-digit, teacher.
Yes, that's right. It has 4 digits. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about the 12-hour clock system? How many digits that 12-hour clock systems have? Teacher? Yes, Joanne? 3 digits. Yes, that's right. That's right. It has 3 digits based on this presentation. Now, class, based on the dialogue earlier, 17 is an example of 24-hour clock. So 17 means in 12-hour clock.
5 p.m.
Okay, what? 5 p.m. How do you say so, Joanne?
Teacher, based on your representation, the
is the hours? 3. How about the minutes? 0. What? Okay, very good, children. And in this example, or in the current time, what clock we use? What format we use? Now, class, here is the converting process using the word after. A while ago, you see that 3 is the hours and 00 is the minutes. So, based on the example, 2 hours and 20 minutes after 3 p.m. So, we use the example used after. So, it means that we need to add the current time. So, we need to add the 2 hours into 3 hours. So, 3 plus 2 hours, 5 hours. And 20 minutes plus 0 minutes equals 20. So, what is the time now? 5 hours and 20 minutes.
20 p.m.
Okay, it is 5:20 p.m. Do you understand class when we are considering the word after?
Yes, teacher.
When we use or see the word after in the problem, what we're going to do?
Means you have to add to the current time.
Yes, that's right, Joanne. Next word that we need to consider is
Teacher.
yes,
Teacher,
Leia.
ibig sabihin po, we can call that answer 5 hours and 20 minutes since 5 hours is one of the example of 12 o'clock system. So, we put PM as
Yes.
representation as afternoon, teacher.
Yes, Leia, that's right. We use the abbreviation PM because according to the example used the abbreviation PM. It means that 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and then we need to add the 2 hours and 20 minutes to the current time, which is 3 p.m. So the time now is the 5:20 p.m. in the afternoon. Is that clear to you, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is the second word that we need to consider in converting? Before. And before means
You have to subtract from the current time.
Okay, for example,
4 hours and 9 minutes before 7:30 a.m.
Joanne, can you please solve this example? Okay, class, in the example, what is the current time again?
7:30 a.m.
And what is the hours in the in the current time?
7.
The minutes? 30 minutes. Okay, very good. Let's see if Joanne's answer is correct. Right now. Okay, let's check if the conversion or the solving of Joanne is correct. Okay, class. Okay, let's see. The current time is 7 hours and 30 minutes. And the numbers that we need to subtract is 4 hours and 9 minutes. Okay, 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay, it is 3 hours and 30 minutes minus 9 minutes equals
21.
Okay, 3 minutes. So the answer is
3 hours and 21 minutes.
3:21 a.m.
Okay, the time now is 3:21 p.m. So the answer of John is correct. Do you understand, class, what we are going to do if we see the word before in the sentence or in the problem?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. example. So we need to add 0 minutes plus half. Okay, half minutes is 30 minutes. So 30 minutes. So the time now is
4:30 p.m.
okay, very good. Okay, class, when we use or see the word past half, what we're going to do?
We need to add to the current time the 30 minutes, teacher.
Okay, very good. We need to add 30 minutes to the current time. Next is the
Midnight.
okay, when you say two, it means
Minutes before.
So
You
you
have
have
to
to
subtract
subtract
from the current time.
and for the midnight means
12
midnight.
and our example is
3 minutes to midnight.
okay, it means that 3 minutes before midnight. So we're going to do is to subtract 3 minutes from the current time, which is the 12 midnight. So class, do you think we can subtract that 3 minutes into 0 minutes?
No, teacher.
Okay, no, so we cannot subtract 3 from 0. So what we are going to do?
Borrow.
Where are we gonna borrow? Okay, we're gonna borrow 2, 12, or we're gonna borrow 2 hours. So
Yes.
12 will become 11. And 0 minutes becomes 60 minutes because 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So we convert that 1 hour into minutes. So we can use it and we can place it the 60 minutes. So we can subtract the 3 minutes from the 60. So 60 minutes minus 3 hours is equal to 57. So now class, what is the time now?
11:57 p.m.
Okay, why we use the abbreviation PM? Yes, Joanne?
Teacher, 11:57 is p.m. It is evening.
Okay, 11:57. We use PM because it is before 12 midnight. And after 12 midnight, what we should do?
AM.
Okay, AM. And for the last word that we need to consider is yes, class. There's a lot to consider in converting time or converting 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock, vice versa. This is the last word that we need to consider. Joanne, please kindly read the last word.
Quarter means 1/4 hour, 60 minutes divided by 4 is 15 minutes. Example, quarter after 6:50 p.m. 60 p.m.
Okay. In our example is quarter after 6 p.m. Again, class, what is after? What we need to do is
Add to the current time.
Okay, we need to add to the current time. So our current time in this example is 6 p.m. So how many minutes we need to add? 15. Yes, Ruby. 15 minutes, teacher. Okay, we need to 15 minutes. Okay, if we add 15 minutes to the 50 minutes, what is the answer? How many minutes will be? 65. Okay, it is 65. Okay, classes, since it is 65 minutes, what do you think will we do?
We have to
We have to subtract. Okay, we need to subtract, and the remaining will be the minutes and the
Teacher, that is reminder.
and the excess is we need to
Minutes, teacher.
add to the
Current time! The
to the
time!
hours. We need to add
To the
hours
time.
because 60 minutes is equals to 1
One
hour. So
hour.
we have 65 minutes. So the 60 minutes
Will
is
be added
converted into 1 hour, and we need to add in the hour. So 6 the hour earlier is 6, and
Yes.
when we convert that 60 minutes into 1 hour, it is 6 plus 1 equals 7
Seven
hours.
hours.
And then the remaining minutes is 5 minutes. So what is the time now?
7:05
p.m. Okay, very good. 7:05 p.m. Now, class, based on the dialogues earlier, this is 17, and it is an example of
24-hour class system.
okay, and when we convert it into 12-hour format, it will become
5 p.m.
okay, very good. It will become 5 p.m. Okay, class, you also need to remember this in converting. When we're converting 12-hour clock into 24-hour format, we need to do is add 12 hours into hours and copy the minutes if there is minutes indicate. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, and if we convert 24-hour clock into 12-hour format, we need to subtract 12 hours in hours and copy also the minutes that indicates in the time. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I have here a table that corresponds with 12 hour, between 12 hour and 24-hour clock. So I'll give you each so you can have a copy. Okay, class. Now I will divide the class into two groups. This is the group 1 and this is the group 2 having an activity. This is for the group 1 and this is for the group 2. Okay, group 1, can you read your direction?
Convert the 12-hour and 24-hour clock system and vice versa.
And for the group 2 direction,
Convert the following given time to 12-hour and 24-hour clock system.
okay class, in this activity I will give you 5 minutes to do that. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, your time starts now. Are you done, class?
No, teacher.
You still have 3 minutes to answer. here in front to present your answer. Okay, children, let's listen to the group 1.
So group 1 convert to 12-hour and 24-hour clock system and vice versa. So number 1, the 6:34 p.m. 6:34 is a 12-hour clock, so we'll convert it to the 24-hour clock, which is plus 12. The answer is 18:34 hour. And second is the 9:45 p.m., which is the 12-hour clock. Convert it to the 24-hour clock. The answer is 21:45 hour. Then the third one is 25 hour. Convert to 12-hour clock, which is 1:25 p.m. Then the fourth one is 53 hour. And convert it to the 12-hour clock, which is 11:53 p.m. And the last one is 15 to 24 hour. Convert it to the 12-hour clock, 3:54 p.m.
Okay, very good. Group 1. Class, give the group 1 5 claps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And group 2, may I request your presence here in front? Okay, children, please listen to the answer of group 2.
For the group 2 teacher, the given is 20 minutes to midnight. Since 2 po ang ginamit at midnight po yung teacher, we subtract 20 minutes from 12. So the answer from 12 hour is 11:40 p.m. While on the 24 hour is 23 and 40 hours. The other given teacher is quarter to 5:30 p.m. So when we say quarter teacher, we need to subtract a half minute. So we put on 12 hour 5 hour and 15 p.m. Then on the 24 hour is 17 and 15 hours. So the other given teacher is 2 hours to 7 a.m. Meaning teacher that we need to subtract when we use 2. So we subtract 2 from 7. So the 12-hour clock is 5 a.m. while the 24 hour is 5 hours. The other given teacher is 1 hour and 2 minutes before 7 p.m. Teacher, so we use before, so we need to the given used before, so we need to subtract 1 hour and 2 minutes from the current time. So the answer is 9 hours and 9 p.m. teacher. So in the 24 hour, 21 and 5 hours. For the last given teacher, 5 hours after 12 noon. So teacher, 5 hours after 12 noon, after is used in the given, so we need to add 5 hours from the 12 noon. So 7 p.m. teachers, 12 hour and 17 hour in the 24 hour.
Okay, very good. Group 2, for the clarification and the last statements, 5 hours after 12 noon, it means that after 12 noon, we need to add 5. So the current time, the time is will be 5 p.m. in the afternoon. And in the 24 hour, it is correct 17 hours. Okay, can you give the group 2 5 claps?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, class, based on our example earlier, Jesse and his grandpa talk about the arriving of his grandpa's friend. What do you think, class? It is important to know the time. Why is it important to know the time? Anyone? Yes, Leia?
Teacher, knowing time po is because, teacher, kapag po alam natin ang time muna po, teacher, katulad po na tayo ay pagka napasok sa eskwelahan, teacher. Kapag po alam natin na alas 5 na, kailangan na po natin gumising. Ito po ay budget na kailangan natin mag-prepare para po makapasok na tayo sa eskwelahan. So, ibig sabihin, teacher, mahalaga po ang time para ma-set po natin ang ayos yung mga bagay-bagay, teacher.
Okay, that's right, Leah. If you were the grandpa's friend, what would you do in that situation? Yes, Jovi?
If I were the friend of Grandpa, pupunta po ako ng maaga para po hindi po mapatagal po tayo na iaalat nila sa paghihintay ko sa akin.
Okay, very good, Jovi. That's right. We need to come on time because time is the most important rather. And I'll give you 5 minutes to answer that. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, your time may now start. Your time starts now. Joanne, are you done?
Yes, teacher, I'm done.
Okay, you may review it.
Yes, teacher.
Jezabel, are you done? Okay. Continue answering, class. You still have 3 minutes. Okay, Joanne, hold your answer sheet because it is on the short list. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, exchange paper with your classmate. Okay, let us check your answers.
Teacher number 1.
Yes, Joanne,